Hello guys, it's Darth Gaming. Today I'm doing a Rocket League unboxing video. So let's check out these crates. You can see all these crates, they have rare items, and this one's one of my favorites on the red crates. They're really rare and they look really cool. And then there's these others that you can get from this other crate here, which looks really cool. So let's first unbox this crate. So let's check. Okay. What is it gonna be? What is it gonna be? Alright, it's a new car paint. Alright? That's okay. It's not that bad. Let's use another key. Alright. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Oh, that is actually really good. Alright. Alright, go. Really good item. Now let's unbox another one. Let's pray that I unbox a good one. All right, I got tires. That's pretty good. I admit those aren't bad tires. Let's check. Ooh, I actually sort of wanted that one. Yeah. Oh, this actually goes so well. I like that one. Let's just use more. Ooh, this looks interesting. Oh shit! Oh no! I really wanted those wheels. Alright. Alright. Ooh, ooh. Alright. They're rare, so they're in a pretty good level of things. I think this one's the last one. Let's check. Alright. Pretty much. That's pretty much it with, yeah. Pretty much it about this episode. Peace.